In this video, we're going to derive the divisibility rule for 14. The first thing I would do is say note that 14 is 7 times 2. Now, if you have a number that 7 and 2 are going to both go into, that number better have factors of 7 times 2 times, m. Maybe it's 14 times 3, which is 42. Okay, so 42 divided by 7 times 2. This is 7 times 3 times 2. You divide by 7 times 2. The 7's reduced to 1. The 2's cancel out to 1. 1 times 3 times 1 is 3. So yes, 14 did go into 42. So 14 divides k if and only if 7 divides k and 2 divides k. It's very important that 7 or 2 are relatively prime. Nothing goes into both of them. And then we have the rules for 7 divide k and the rules that are needed for 2 to divide k. Now, the rule for 7 to divide k is that 7 divides a minus 2b, where k is a times 10 plus b, the constant. And k must end in an even digit. That's the rule for 2, and this is the rule for 7. Now, for example, 14 times 102, well, 4 times 102 is what? 408, and that's a 10. 10 times 102 is 1020. 1020. So this number should be a multiple of 14. 1428 should be a multiple of 14. And obviously it is, because 7 goes into 14 and, 14 goes into 14 and 14 goes into 28. But let's suppose we didn't know that. Okay, so it's even because 8 is even. It ends in an even digit. Now, is it divisible by 7? So you have 142, that's A. 142 is A. And the 8 is B. Now, if you don't know whether or not 14 goes into 1428, you have to use the rule. You take A and you take away 2 B's. Well, B is 8, 2 B's is 16. So you get 126. And if you don't know whether or not 7 goes into that number or not, then what you do is you take this number and you take away 2 6's and you go, yeah. 7 goes into 0. I know what does. It goes in 0 times. So 7 goes in. 7 goes into 1428. That is, this number is a multiple of 7 and it's even. So, no question about it, it's divisible by 14. This completes this video. Again, to show that a digit is divisible by 14, just show that it's divisible by both 7 and 2. And we have rules to show if it's divisible by 7, and we have rules to show if it's divisible by 2. And again, 7 and 2 must have no common factors other than 1 for this to work. If you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Most of all, watch and learn. See you in the next video.